In this section of grammar, we are going to learn how to use will and be going to. We can use either will or be going to talk about something that is planned or something that we think is likely to happen in the future. We use will to make a prediction based on our experience. For example, the children will clean up when they are done painting. What's the prediction? That the children will clean up. Why have we made that prediction? Because our experience tells us that that's what they normally do when they have finished painting. We use be going to make a prediction based on present evidence. For example, I am going to finish off the project by next Friday. What's the prediction? That we will finish the project by next Friday. How do we know? Based on the present evidence, we can predict that we will have finished it by then. Another example of using will. I will watch my TV show later. We can make this prediction because in our experience, this is something we normally do later. We watch a TV show. Another example of going to. I am going to cook a meal tonight. We can make this prediction because based on present evidence, we know that we are going to be making a meal. We use will when making decisions at the moment of speaking. For example, oh, I think I will help you. This hasn't been planned. It's happened right then. Just as we're speaking, we think, oh, I will help you. I will do this. Whereas we use be going to if the decision has been made already. For example, we are going to tear up the documents when we are done processing the data. This has not been thought then and there. This is a plan, something that is going to happen. And that's the difference between using will and be going to.